For today's tutorial, we are taking our inspiration from the Funko Pop collection, and I'm a Disney girl, so I had to get Ariel as my person. These are the supplies that you will need. Toilet paper rolls should be in easy collection mode right now with all of the stuff that we've been going through. But you'll draw your character on. I would suggest pulling up an image so that you can look at it as you're drawing it. Then you'll use your markers or paint to color in your drawing. Paint, I think, would cover better if you're wanting it to be more vibrant. Then you can outline your whole drawing, your whole character. And you'll take scissors, or if you have an X-Acto knife, that might be helpful too, to outline and to cut out the head only. I made a slit at the top of my head and then cut around only the head part, so that that part would pop forward. And then I taped the top back together, and I decided I wanted the background to be blue, so I went ahead and added that after. Have fun creating!